How to deactivate Messenger account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can deactivate our Messenger account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To deactivate our Messenger account, open up the Messenger app, tap on the three lines option from the top left, then tap on the gear icon that you can find over there. Then from there you simply want to scroll down to this Account Center tab, and once you tap on See More in Account Center, you want to simply go to this option here that says Personal Details. From here, just go to Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion, then select your Facebook account from here. Then just select the option called Deactivate Account, then tap on Continue. Then you simply need to enter your password, then tap on Continue again, and your Messenger account along with your Facebook account will get successfully deleted. This way you will be able to delete your Messenger account, or deactivate it, sorry. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.